Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are all doing great. And I was traveling for last 2 or 3 days, so I couldn't post any video. Anyway, we will see how the markets are. This is Umar with you, and we will see what is going to be the market analysis or what is going to be the market prediction, right? So many people were trolling me that you are bullish and we are going to take the opposite position, but the market is keep on going on the higher side, right? But before that, let me tell you something that we had a Zoom webinar today, and it was from 9:30 to 3:30. We conducted a live session, not backtesting session, not some faltu stuff. We did a live session on Nifty expiry, and we made an excellent profit of around 3%, and it was really a good webinar. So if you are interested, we told the levels, what is going to be the levels, what is going to be the rejection point, how we can trade, what strategies we can use in this webinar. So if you are interested, if you are a person who wants to learn more, you can check link in the description below and you can join. And of course, this is a lifetime free. You will have access to a chat session. People you can talk with each other, like-minded people in the group, and you can also see what we are doing, how we are doing, right? So if you want, you can check the link in the description below, right? In terms of markets are super volatile. Even today market were super volatile. Finnifty was super volatile. Banknifty was even more volatile, right? And the main reason for markets to I really don't know why these people are, actually what happened yesterday was, if you see the FII, DII figure, it was not that much. FIIs have bought for around maybe 200 or 300, not even 200 crores, 63 crores, and DIIs were net buyers. Both institutions, DIIs and FIIs were net buyers, and you saw what happened. Market moved in one direction. Finnifty alone moved from 20,262 to all the way to 20,335 levels, 300 levels. Now you may tell this is not a big move. Of course, you are obviously that is correct. What you think is right. But when India VIX is low, you don't get premiums, and the market moves two-way, three-way, makes two-way, three-way move. It is going to be very hard to manage. That is what I am trying to say here, right? And even today, if you see markets went on the higher side, it tried to touch 20,500. I am talking about Finnifty. Then suddenly it dropped. I thought this around 20,300 levels will be good resistant, and in fact low was around 20,229, and this was our break even. This blue lines were our break even, and this trade ended up in between this blue line, and we were in good profit, right? So Finnifty, what I am thinking is, if I change this to a daily time frame, maybe we are touching the top, and you can see that there is a kind of head and shoulder pattern, or whatever term you use, I really don't know. There is a big red candle, and if we are going to gap down tomorrow, or if we are going to see downward movements tomorrow, we might drift towards lower of around 20,000. 20,000 is a very strong support in terms of Finnifty, right? And that is what the open interest is also saying. I'm sure you must be aware, you must be trading Finnifty. If you are not trading Finnifty, then it's okay. It's a small Banknifty. That's what. So what we see in terms of Finnifty is, next week if we see, there is huge number of calls being written at Finnifty, right? Finnifty, why I'm talking about Finnifty is because nowadays Finnifty is having good liquidity, and we can see that 20,300 huge number of calls are being written, which means 20,300 is a very, very strong support. It was a very strong support today morning, and once 20,300 is broken, we are seeing Finnifty seeing lots of call build up at 20,300. So you can assume that markets are kind of not bottoming up, topping out, right? Maybe we will have a trend reversal. Market has rallied so much, so we might see a trend reversal in terms of Finnifty, right? And in terms of Banknifty, Nifty and Banknifty, same is the case. What we are seeing is we are seeing loss of momentum on the higher side on Nifty, right? So what people believe is, let me go to the charts. Nifty, there is a very special case. Finnifty, you know what is happening. Reliance demerger, Geo Financial Services is demerging from Reliance Industries. So there is going to be, people are rushing to buy Reliance. In fact, Reliance is touching a lifetime high of around 2,800, I believe. Even though I'm not an investor, I don't trade stock options much, but Reliance is trading at lifetime high. After that demerger news, we might see some downward movement is what I'm expecting. If I say downward movement, don't think market is going to crash. Maybe we will have little retracement. Now, since if you are aware, since June we have rallied so much from 18,600 to 19,749. Now there has to be a stop somewhere. Market cannot keep on moving like this for very long, prolonged time. So you have to be careful and you will have to trade very carefully, because there can be a retracement. Market cannot move in one direction. Market has cyclical is what I want to tell you, right? All the indicators are showing overbought zone, so be careful. And after this demerger news, we might see a downward movement. And when it comes to weekly Nifty, what people believe is 20,000 huge number of calls are being returned, and 19,500 huge number of puts are being returned. Now this is a lagging indicator, and things may change very quickly, but still to give you a perspective how what people are doing, we are just showing the open interest, right? And in terms of Banknifty, both Nifty, Finnifty and Banknifty is same. We are seeing huge number of movement, and market, it went till around 45,800. It came all the way down to around 45,300. And in case Banknifty, we have a very strong support at 45,000 levels, right? We are seeing previous higher high was around 45,300. We are just seeing some rejection there. In case market comes down, maybe 45,000 might be a good support, and on the higher side 46,000 to 45,800 zone might be a good resistance. So be careful and trade carefully and trade wisely. That is what I want to say you. And make sure you don't trade without any hedges. Trading without hedge is like going in the fifth gear and hitting the wall in your car, right? So make sure you hedge your positions. Without hedge, you shouldn't be taking any trade, right? So we'll see what happens tomorrow. As of now, GIFT Nifty is showing a gap down of around 19 points. Anyway, we'll have to wait around 40 points. We'll have to wait what happens to US market tomorrow. US futures are all in the red. Europe is also in the red. So we'll have to see how US market and Europe closes and how Asia Pacific opens tomorrow. Then only we will get an idea of what is going to happen to our market. So hopefully tomorrow also we are going to see volatility. Day after tomorrow is a demerger. After that, Reliance demerger. After that, Reliance AGM is there. So there are lots of stuff going on. And we have a very important data today in terms of US market. Retail sales month on month was out, and it was very low. Previous was around 0.5%. This time it came out to be around 0.2%. Right? So we'll see how things pan out. As of now, we are neutral and we are having some neutral position, and FIAs are net buyers. FIAs have bought for around 2,115 crores and DAIs have sold for 1,317 crores, right? So we must wait and see what is going to happen in terms of market, our market, or for that matter whole Indian market. We'll wait for some times and we'll see how things pan out. Thank you for watching. I hope I have summarized all everything. I'll see you in at another